Hello everyone, welcome to MS Pharma Tutor. In this video, I'm going to give a simplified concept of autonomic nervous system. So talking a broad concept of from where it is classified, that is our autonomic nervous system. So let's look into it. So the nervous system is broadly classified into peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. So all the nerves of peripheral nervous system are connected to central nervous system. So this central nervous system is further into, that is, brain and spinal cord. Okay. So what peripheral nervous system exactly consists of? It consists of autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is basically voluntary type. So it is further divided into sensory and motor. Okay, and autonomic nervous system are involuntary responses. So those are sympathetic nervous system. Those come from sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So let's understand the distinguishing parameters between them. So sympathetic is basically for flight and fight response. For example, if you're afraid and sometimes you experience increased heart rate. So what all signs that you notice is increased blood pressure, increased heart rate, increase of pulse. At this time, your pupil also dilates, and also there is increase in muscle strength. Okay, and there is increase in energy. Increase in energy because there is a glycogen breakdown. Because of it, glucose gets formed, and because of it, more amount of ATP is generated. Therefore, increase in energy. So secondly, parasympathetic. What signs do you observe when you are experiencing a parasympathetic nervous system? Okay, what signs do you come across? Okay, so parasympathetic nervous system gets activated when there is decrease in blood pressure, mostly during relaxed or during the digestion type of time. Parasympathetic nervous system gets activated. Okay, so there is decrease in blood pressure, decrease in heart rate, then it is increased digestion, then increased gastric motility, and energy is further conserved. Okay, energy is conserved in parasympathetic. So these are the distinguishing points between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. Okay, so more talking about it. Sympathetic nervous system transports the neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, epinephrine, and dopamine, whereas parasympathetic transports acetylcholine. Okay, so the receptors responsible for sympathetic action to get activated, those are adrenergic receptors, and further it is divided into alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, and beta 2. Okay, so the drugs for it are agonists, which are in the favor of the receptors, and antagonists, which are the blockers of the receptors. Okay, antagonist, there is no hyphen here. Antagonist. Okay, so antagonists are basically receptor blockers. So therefore, the antagonist can be something like alpha blockers antagonist and beta blockers antagonist. Okay, then agonist can be neurotransmitters itself, and more drugs related to it like albuterol, etc. Okay, so parasympathetic, the neurotransmitter responsible is acetylcholine, and the receptors are cholinergic receptors. So the drugs which are in favor of acetylcholine in itself are neurotransmitter acetylcholine, showing the agonistic effect, and anticholinergic effect. There are many drugs along with one neurotransmitter. So anticholinergic effect, it's shown by atropine, scopolamine, and ipratropium, and many other drugs like it. So if you are understanding what I am discussing right now, please subscribe to my channel. And if you found it was helpful, then please like it. press the bell icon for more channel updates. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.